Japan is a unique Asian island state with a history dating back thousands of years. This is a special world that has turned into a highly developed territory, preserving long-standing traditions. For a long time, Japan was a closed country, free from external influence. Japan surprises tourists at every turn. They think differently, build their own world. The Japanese are not like the inhabitants of Europe and are not like the neighboring countries of Asia. Japanese nature is diverse. Even on the island state, there are such species of animals that do not exist in other places of the planet. What is so remarkable about Japanese nature? The country's forests are represented by subtropical forests of plateaus and highlands. The Japanese assign a separate place in the nature of the state to sakura. Nature has decorated the north of the state with coniferous forests. Firs, pines, firs, and cypresses are interspersed with lettuce and maples. The Pacific Ocean washing the Japanese archipelago is not the only water in the country. There is a network of lakes and rivers throughout the state, which the Japanese use for personal purposes. Since the country looks like a solid middle mountain, the rivers on its lands also look like stormy streams coming down from the mountains. It is worth knowing that 70% of the territories in the land of the rising sun are occupied by mountains and volcanoes. Fujiyama, or simply the main dormant volcano, reaches a height of 3,776 meters.
You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave